I'm Dr. Christopher Trahan, the founder and medical director of the Olympus Center for Holistic Integrative Medicine. We provide effective natural therapies in a context of cutting-edge Western medicine. Today, I'd like to discuss my practice of telemedicine, which has become very prominent in the medical community, of course, in this age of COVID. In my practice, most patients seek me out for in-office visits to begin with, primarily acupuncture. Typically, even though they may not realize when they're coming to my practice, I'm not just doing acupuncture. Herbal medicine and nutrition are very prominent. Also, patient education and counseling. Also, oftentimes I incorporate what we call classical homeopathy. So previously, I was using telemedicine primarily for my homeopathic patients and patients that have completed their acupuncture program or are not coming as frequently for acupuncture anymore. In my practice, I'm solving medical problems primarily, again, by doing a series of acupuncture treatments. And at a certain point in the long term, my health program is about nutrition and herbal medicine, as well as obviously lifestyle and psychological well-being. So what's been happening is some patients continue to come for acupuncture periodically, and others just continue with herbs and acupuncture and possibly homeopathy. So I've kind of spun out or continue to offer most of my services, even if they're not on site with acupuncture. So that has to do with herbal medicine, both Asian herbal medicine, including Chinese herbal medicine and Ayurvedic medicine, Western herbal medicine, classical homeopathy, nutrition, and again, counseling and patient education. So as it turns out, this morning, I was having my cup of herbal tea, and the handle of my teacup broke off just as I was lifting the cup, which was distressing, of course. Fortunately, the cup was still near the ground, and it took me into a metaphor of my practice where when COVID happened, it seemed it was disastrous because basically 95% of my practice are people coming in, or at least it was. Now it's balanced out with the telemedicine. And as I was drinking my ginseng-based tea with other herbs such as ginger, cardamom, and whatnot, it brings me to the fact of herbal medicine as a preeminent form, probably the most important form of medicine and enhancement of our health and prevention of disease for the immune system and also for so-called stress. Stress being the physiological effects on our adrenals, adrenal glands, our central nervous system, our brain chemistry. So my therapies, even though acupuncture is very powerful for these things, my therapies are still able to continue to support the immune system and to help our bodies and our minds survive these days and continue to flourish. Thank you. This is Dr. Trahan. I look forward to seeing you again soon.